So on your test, it's going to say graph this, right? Then it's going to say draw it on the graph. This graph is worth no points. But I won't grade anything after it if you don't give me what you were looking at. Because, one, I need to make sure that your answers are based off of that graph. What if you graph something completely wrong? Do you want to lose all 25 points? No. If you graph it wrong, but you answer the questions right based on the wrong graph, I'll give you partial credit at least. Okay, you're not going to earn all 25 points, but I'll give you partial credit. So what I would do is I would look at the calculator, right? If it was the one I'm doing right now, I would plot the points. So I know I have something around here, here, and here. Was it there? Yeah. And somewhere up here is like my max. I don't even care if it's perfect. Just give me something to look at, right? Then I would label my zeros. So I know this is -3. It will be a decimal on the test, but it will be something you can find. 1 and then 3. Now I know those points, right, which are my zeros. Then I would find my max, which I don't even remember what that was, like -1.6. I don't remember what it was. Whatever that number is. -1.4. Here, it's right here. And 16.9. And I would label my min -1. No, that's 2.1. And then whatever that is, 5.4. No, 5.04. Then you can answer the rest of your questions because you need the max and min to know when the increasing and decreasing is happening. Obviously, you need your x-intercepts to know where your zeros are. Does that make sense? Yeah. For everybody else, including Casey? Yeah? Okay. All right, so this is my equation of the circle with the endpoints, right? So I'm going to add these two together, 2 over 2, add these together, 2 over 2, and my center is 1, 1. Then I would plug them back in. This time there's no all positives, so I got to take either one. So do you take the first or second? Which point would you use? First. So this is my x, and this is my y, and this is my h, and this is my k. So 3 minus 1 squared plus -2 minus 1 squared equals r squared. 2 squared, -3 squared. Nope. They're both points on that graph. So I get r squared is 13, x minus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 13. The test for functions, right? This is just saying, is it a function? The x can't repeat with a different y, right? X can't repeat with a different y. So when you look at this, here's all my x's, and here's all my y's. So look here, the x repeats here, and it has a different y. This is not a function. This one, the x does not repeat, so this is a function. So you just got to check your x's.
So the y's can repeat?
Yeah.
X's can only repeat if they have the same y.
Correct. Because otherwise, think about what's happening. 24, let's say this is 20, and this is 4. And 26 is a point here. Vertical line crosses through both those points. Fails, right? But if it's a y, if I have the same y but different x's, a vertical line is going to go through only one of those. Yeah. Yeah. Good. 2. When you graph this, it looks like this. It goes here, 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 right? So I do second calc, and I go to zeros. Guys, shh. And it says left bound. So if I want to find this 0, I have to go left of this one. So anywhere along there. Then I have to go right of this one, and then I hit guess, and it's gonna give me that exact point. You have to stay in between the zeros, because then I have to do it for this 0, left, right, and then I have to do it for that 0, left, right. Yep. Because what's happening is if you put 2 zeros in there, so like if I do it from here to here, it doesn't know, are you asking me for this 0 or for this 0? There's 2 zeros in there. So you have to separate them out for your calculator, and then it finds it. Same for max and min, like you have to separate them out.